physics and maths. In this particular class, it is time for us to learn physics. So in this our physics class, we are interested in projectile motion. So what is a projectile? A projectile is any material or object that is launched into the air and is allowed to fall freely under the influence of gravity. That's a projectile. There is no specific object or material named projectile. It is descriptive by motion of that object. For example, if I should throw this my marker, it will go like this and land. That's a projectile motion. And it becomes a projectile at that point, describing a path, either parabola or half parabola, depending on the platform. On more examples, when you fire bullet using gun, that's a project into space. If you release stone with catapult, that projectile. In sports, when you throw javelin, you incline at an angle to release javelin. That's projectile motion, incline projectile. Then, when you kick ball upwards, when you play volleyball, table tennis, all these are projectile motions in description. Okay, having known this, let's look at the question on the board. We have this figure, this diagram describing the motion of a particle or a ball launched into air and landed freely under the influence of gravity. Because a body under projectile motion undergoes two motions simultaneously. The vertical motion, that upward and downward motion, upward and downward under the influence of gravity, and the horizontal motion along the line, which is under with constant speed. That is it. So this body is projected with angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, with initial speed, the speed of 50 meters per second. Then we are asked to calculate the time of flight, the maximum height reached from the ground level. Remember, from here to here is called the range, but the question is not interested in it now. Okay, solution. We are given that U is equal to 50 meters per second, and our theta is equal to 30 degrees. Then do not forget that G is equal to 10 meters per second square. That's acceleration due to gravity or gravitational field strength. Of course, in some advanced examinations, the value of G used is the average value, which is 9.8 meters per second square. So be mindful of that when you're writing like A-level examination or when such is given to you. But in this case, we are using the approximate value. Now, a challenge. I bet you we shall solve this with our calculator. Just stay tuned and see how we navigate it. Okay. The I question says time of flight, that is capital T, is equal to 2u sine theta over g. That's the formula for time of flight. Don't forget. But if the question had asked you time to maximum height, that's halfway, it will remove these two. Well, these two means twice. So time of flight means the total time taken to reach the maximum height and also down here, which is a equal time times 2. That's why the 2 is here. Good. Okay. T is equal to 2 times our U is 50 times sine 30 degrees all over what? 10. But sine 30 degrees is equal to 0.5 and 0.5 and 0.5 is equal to 1 over 2. You agree with me? That is half. Put it here smartly. We have 2 times 50 is 100 over 10 times 1 over 2. Because of this, 0 cancels 0, 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide 10, 5. Our T is equal to 5 seconds. Simple. Simple. Okay, the maximum height, H maximum, is equal to U squared sine squared theta all over 2G. That's the formula. That's the formula for H maximum, maximum height. Okay, you substitute a quick one, which is equal to U squared means 50 times 50. Let's put it direct immediately. 50 times 50, that is U squared. Times sine square theta means sine 30 degrees square. What is sine 30 degrees? Let us put the values immediately without wasting time. Sine 30 degrees has been proven to be 1 over 2, right? Okay, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 1 over 4. Because the sine 30 degrees squared means 1 over 2 squared, which will give us this mathematically. I hope you are following. Okay, so we have here quickly 1 over 4. So when you are in a hot seat in the exam, this is what you do smartly. Okay, all over 2g means 2 times 10. Okay, so we have here now, of course, 0 cancel 0 here. 2 divide itself 1, 2 divide 50, 25. We have 25, 5 and 4 down. So we come out, bring it out, 25 times 5. Of course, 25 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. You write 5, carry 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 125. So we have 125 over 4. Are you afraid? Don't worry. Do not bring calculator. Okay? That will give us, when you have 125 divided by 4, 4 divided 12, what will you get? You get what? 125, yes? 4 divided 12, you get what? You get 3. Stay tuned though. Yeah. You get 3. Then 4 divide 4 divide 12, you get 3. 4 divide 5, get 1, 1. Remember 1. Good. So in this case, we are left with, we got 31 whole number. Remember 1 over 4. And the 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25. Hope you know this. How is it so? 1 over 4 means 0.25 because 0.25 means 25 over 100. When you reduce to the lowest term, you get 1 over 4. Okay? So when we marry this to this, we have that 125 over 4 is equal to 31 whole number 1 over 4 equal to 31.25 meters. So that is our answer. So our answer, the maximum height attained by this particle, this body, is 31.25 meters, not 31.25. But that figures after decimal is not up to 1 whole number. So you pronounce it as it is, like decimal. Thank you. If you need extra tutorials, then reach out me on through my WhatsApp contact or drop message for me inbox. So I will help you in physics and mathematics. But do not forget to share this video so that other scholars, especially science students, will enjoy this learning with us. Visit my YouTube channel at JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths. For more, then keep following this Facebook page while I keep tutoring you more, especially calculation aspect of physics with mathematics. Thank you. God bless you.